I'm hoping you guys are enjoying your new year, but let's take a look at something. An iPhone. Now I got this iPhone in the mail in this box, and they say it's the real deal, so let's see. I removed the plastic, so no need to worry. This is very strange. Alright, the packaging. Let's see what's in here. No Apple stickers, but you got the cards. This doesn't look right. Where's the logo? Anyway, so see how the plastic screen protector. Let's remove it. Toss that away. And I fooled you guys. It's a fake. If you read the little fine print here, it says designed by Capple, not Apple, Capple, with a K. But it's easy to peel this guy back. And see, you see the dual lens? One's a fake. This one. And look. It's so cheap here. I have a driver to remove all the screws in the back. Can't even read how big this battery is. It just says 3.7 volts. I hope you like that New Year's little video. Also, here's a real iPhone 7. I love this thing. Let's put this together. If you like this video, you hit that subscribe button. And I'll make a special video where I slowly take this apart, like try to gut this thing. So if you want to see it, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.